put some splash guards on here. These are Magic splash guards. They have on one side a little clip like this that you put on the inside of the shower so that you can clip the shower curtain into it. And I just kind of eyeball it. Try to put it kind of in the center of the rail here. A little bit of bleach. Get it nice and clean. And then a fresh paper towel, get it wet. Wipe off the bleach. And another paper towel, dry it off. Put this on the inside of the shower, there. So when I put the other one, I just kind of eyeballed it in the center of this rail. And after I put it, I double checked and it was 2 inches from the edge. So I'll match that here. Yep, sticks on there real good. A little bit of caulk around it.
Put a bit too much on there. Should have cut the tip of the silicone a bit smaller. In hindsight, relative defense cleaner, I don't know how to clean up so much with my fingers. There we go. That was a nice lead. Do this more carefully and I won't have to smear it all over my fingers, hopefully. That's a little easy. Oops. Sometimes got a little bit clean up, it helps get a real nice touch with the glass cleaner. And when you smear it around, it won't stick to the white part of glass cleaner that's around it. It comes up nice and clean that way. You just spray the glass cleaner real lightly and let it evaporate.
Little clip on the inside. Put in some PVC. Cut the caulk on the sides. See, oh, that's too big. Too big. What about this one? Too big. What about this one? Just right. Cut the caulk. I'll have to replace this piece too. We'll see how well it lines up. I tried to buy an 8-foot long piece anyway of the, and replace this with PVC plastic trim. So if it gets wet again, it won't damage it. It's waterproof. So anyway, I might end up replacing that piece even though it looks good. So I'll try not to, but I have enough material. That piece isn't likely to get wet anyway. Use a bigger one. Oh, too big. There we go. Yeah. Take this off, get the excess caulk off. Alright, so I'm going to cut a few pieces of baseboard out of this PVC plastic trim. The same size as the baseboard, but a better material for potentially wet location. This material is waterproof. So that piece. Mark 6. So that's my 5-inch short point. The angle going that way. Go. So I was using silicone. I was using the silicone for the bathtub shower. I'm gonna swap it out. Here I've got some liquid nails. This type, Fuse It, can work with plastics as well. I don't think the regular liquid nails works very well with plastic. But otherwise, I do like the regular liquid nails. This one costs a few bucks more. It's like $6 or $7 for the tube. Cut the end. Oh, I think I gotta take this off. Yeah, cut that. There we go. A little bit tough to cut off. It's gray. Pop that back on there. There we go. We'll have a glue back here. Like that. Stick it on there. Alright, so I just stuck this on here with glue. Put some Alex Fast Dry caulk in that spot. I forgot to turn on the camera. I'll pop a few pin nails in here just to hold it all tight. That looks good. This material that I got is a little bit thicker than the old material, so waterproof. Caulk it. Kind of glue it in place and fill that hole. Put a little bit of caulk over here too. Same idea. Make sure I don't have any bits. Stuff in the way. Oop, careful. Put some of my handy dandy liquid nails, Fuse It, which is good for plastic. Alright. Put this on here. Get a couple nails. One right there. Put my Fast Dry caulk back in. Should have a bring another caulking gun up next time I do this. Brought one with me today.
Clean that edge up. A little bit of caulking. Again, not using the best of silicone here. Because in the future, somebody might paint this baseboard. If I use silicone, it's not paintable. It'll look really crappy wherever I put the silicone. So I'm using latex caulk on this.
Give it a quick burnishing. Soften that edge.
There we go. Glue that one in.
Alright, there's that. Shower splash guard. New piece of baseboard. PVC plastic. There too. 3 pieces, 4 pieces, all the way to that corner. And splash guard on this side too. All done.